man yun sa pelikula. And at the same time, yung magagaling pa. Please welcome to Vilma tonight, Mr. Matt Ranillo. Hi, Archie.
Good evening sa inyo lahat. Good evening.
Good evening. And if I remember right, sa movie nating Masarap Masakit ang Umibig, you won Best Supporting Actor, right?
Actually, alam mo may kwento yun kasi we did 2 films back to back. Dalawang Pugad.
Dalawang Pugad sa
and Masarap
Ibon.
Masakit. Oh. And then I was nominated on that film, Dalawang Pugad, pero sa Masarap ako nanalo on the same year.
At alam nyo mga hindi pa dyan mo ako nasugatan, Archie?
Doon kita nasa
Ay, hindi. Hindi, doon ko pala nasugatan si Archie dito.
Ayan, oo.
Yung peka ni
Mark of
Archie
Vilma.
dito, kasi yung may hawak na wine glass.
Yung brandy.
Oo.
Tapos may dialogue ka, nagalit ka, tinapon mo sa mukha ko.
Paano naman, Archie, sinakal mo ko? Kaya lang, yung acting namin na paghampas ko ng wine glass, talaga nabasag, nasugat si
At
Archie.
during the take, kita mo tumutuloy yung dugo ko rito.
Yeah, oo. At hindi kinat ni Direk.
Hindi, tuloy-tuloy yun.
Yes.
After that, parang ang sakit pala.
But you won.
Thanks to you.
Oh, wow.
And Boyet.
And also, mga kaibigan, we have another very, very good actor. At, alam niyo siya ho ang artista at ang leading man na nakasama ko sa pelikula ko sa Amsterdam. Isang pelikula na hindi ko makakalimutan hanggang ngayon. Miss X. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mark here. Hi, Mark.
Thank you very much.
Thank you also.
Alam mo, kanina ka pa tayo ng thank you sa amin.
Kasi alam
As a
mo-
matter of fact, you know, in my heart, I feel sa'yo dapat ako mag-thank you for
Sobra naman,
considering me as that has been, I've had that privilege of being one of your leading men.
Thank you,
Tsaka,
thank you.
yung totoo rin yun, yung Miss X, ang isang pelikulang hindi ko makakalimutan.
Same here.
Forever.
Nag-enjoy tayo doon, di ba?
Oh, doon kita nakitang bagong gising.
Oh, totoo.
Doon ko nalaman na matagal kang matulog. Ang schedule natin, since we finished it in 17 days.
Right?
nailap kaya TV?
Chismoso ka? Ernie, chismoso ka. We really had a nice time when we were doing the movie.
Yeah,
Diba?
I just didn't know Vilma coming to the set because we were all living all together.
Exactly.
In one place, in one country. At meron akong isang gustong i-share, isang moment na hindi ko makakalimutan na ginawa ni Ate V sa akin. I was very new then, I was 18 years old. Medyo nagkaroon kami ng tampuhan ng direktor because at that moment I was feeling
Yes.
homesick.
Right.
And so nagalit ako, nag-walk out ako. Paglabas ko ng disco, saan ako pupunta? Nasa Amsterdam ako.
Hindi naman lamig-lamig.
Alam mo bang who saved my day was Vilma. She came and she comforted me and I'll never forget that. Naalala mo yun?
Yes, yes, I know. At saka marami ho kami pinagsamahan ni Mark doon. Minsan may time na nagkukwentuhan kami, malungkot. Minsan naman enjoy na enjoy.
Eto, meron
kami.
akong
That was
tatanungin
really
sa'yo.
something.
Nagpunta tayo ng Paris.
Oo.
1979 to.
Yes. Nag-birthday ako doon.
Tama.
Yes.
We celebrated it all together. We went to Paris and then we went to Notre Dame.
Right. Nagsimba tayo
Mamaya
sa
ka na,
Notre
Ernie.
Dame.
Marami pa naghihintay
Okay.
yun.
Nagsimba kami
Meron
sa
akong
Notre
biniling
Dame.
dalawang statwa. Yung isa para kay V, yung isa para sa akin. Pero pinapili ko sa kanya. Yung isa, Napoleon Bonaparte on a horse. Anong pinili mo?
Yung nakatayo.
Yung lalaki nakahubad.
Nakahubad. And also, mga kaibigan, meron din isang binigay sa akin si Mark when we were there na hanggang ngayon ho ay nakatago sa akin. Remember that pink jacket?
O, yater na tayo. Blue ang akin, pink
Right.
sa'yo. Uso pa nun yung Fiorucci.
Chiruchi, that time.
At that time, $75 ang isa.
Sabi naman ko na
Pinilhan ko si V, ang isa.
Thank you so much.
Very much.
I always treasure the memories.
Same here, Mark. But don't leave me pa. Eto mga kaibigan, nakasama ko.
Marami.
Alam niyo, huli-huli ko natandaan na kasama ko si Mr. Ernie Garcia sa Lipad.
No, hindi
No,
yan.
Darna and...
Lipad, Darna, Lipad.
Darna. My first Darna.
Yeah.
But kanina, he was telling me, ilan ang pelikula natin pinagsamahan, Ernie?
We made about, siguro mga 5. Remembrance, hindi tayo magka-partner.
With Bobot?
Yeah, Bobot. Takbo Vilma Dali.
Right?
Ating gabi na Vilma. Lipad, na lipad. And the last one was itong Amor Seco,
Seco.
kumakapit.
Ganong karaming nagawa
Yeah, that's right.
natin.
Yun yung magdidilim na tsaka lang dumarating.
So, sorry to. Alam mo na mga paano naman, Ernie, nung time naman kasi yun, mga kaibigan, apat-apat yung pelikulang ginagawa
Yeah,
ko. Pero lahat po, lalong-lalo na ang pinaka-memorable sa akin, Ernie, Lipad, Darna, Lipad.
Oh yes.
Actually, pag pinag-uusapan, napanood nyo ba yon?
Huwag kayong tatanggi.
And sana, Ernie, one of these days, makagawa tayo uli ng pelikula.
Why not? Why
Or
not?
kahit na ano, at least magkasama tayo uli sa
Yeah,
pelikula.
anytime.
Okay? So, you'll be joining me hanggang mamaya.
sure.
At kasama rin kayo, of course, kayong lahat ng fans na nandito.
Pwede ba akong mag-plug? May time pa ba ako?
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Kasi papalis kami for Mindanao and